So what happens if you actually leave Wealthy Affiliate, and who actually owns the blog that you create? So you actually own the website in your free and your paid accounts with Wealthy Affiliate. So not only do you own your website, you also own all the content on it. Wealthy Affiliate's not going to try and steal it from you. They're already making their money if you signed up to the premium or their premium plus subscription plan. So they're not going to try, like if you leave Wealthy Affiliate or you use another platform to host your website or anything like that, you keep 100% of the work that you've done. Wealthy Affiliate's not going to try to steal it. Now, if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate, they have a completely free plan called the Starter Plan. There's no credit card required, and you can use the link in the description to get started. It's free forever, and it's going to give you a sense of whether or not Wealthy Affiliate is for you and if you actually want to start an affiliate marketing business. Now, if you click the video on your screen, I'm going to tell you how many websites you can build or host inside Wealthy Affiliate. The answer might actually surprise you.